Here I have an old Sargent Padlock. Got off of eBay, of course. Focus, there we go. Really cool, heavy old padlock. Did not have a key, so I made one for it. Bitting's not bad, but it's still a toughie to pick. And one other cool feature, you can see in there, probably not, there's a screw. You can actually replace the shackle on this one. So let's get to picking. This one requires very heavy tension. If you put your pick in and just put tension on it, you're not going to get it. You got to go and make that noise. Once that noise is made, then you can start picking. There it is, picked. So, if you want to cross one of these on eBay, pick it up. Pretty easy to make a key for. And just a really neat old brass padlock. Let's take a minute. Long enough. Okay, thanks for watching.